my channel today. I'm going to be showing you how to take a picture with a Polaroid camera. And I'm going to show you how to put the stuff in. So, let's get started. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Sorry. I was just laying in my mom. I was just laying in the bed. Excuse me. Sorry if my hair's really messed up because I just woke up and my hair's in a bun. Okay. So let me get my Polaroid. So I got a whole set of a Polaroid camera. So it came with like a set and stuff. So I got this this is like a thing you could put your pictures in. Like it's an album. I took pictures yesterday. I got this yesterday. I got this in my birthday. Let me get my camera home. It's in my drawer because today we're going to Delaware. Oh, wait, no. My grandma's coming to Delaware. We're going to see her. Try to open this. Oh, yeah, let me show you my case. This is my case. I'm gonna open it. Oh, this came with it. If you don't know what this is a it's like a jewel. It doesn't look like it though. It's like a jewel. It's a glow in the dark thing. So you can put it on. See right here. You can put it in anywhere actually. See that right there. I mean right here. That thing. Where you take the picture at. You can put it while you take the picture. It's glow in the dark. I have another one too that came with this set. First, let me just take this out. I can't. Okay, this is the other one. And this is my case. I thought it was really cute. That's why I got it. This is the other one. This one, I don't think this is a jewel. It's just like a little glow-in-the-dark thing. This is a jewel. It's a purple jewel. I like the... Which one do I like better? The purple jewel? This one is not glow-in-the-dark. It's regular. Do I like this one better? I like this one because it's cute and it brings out the color of the Polaroid. I also like this one too because it's white and it's glow-in-the-dark. But I'm going to keep that one. I'm also going to bring this one. I'm just going to have to keep it and stuff. So I'm going to take these out right now because I don't want them to break or nothing. As you know, it's not on right now. When you pop this out, it'll turn on. It's not on right now. I have my films in right now. You have to put your films in or it will not work. Oh yeah, I got this with it. It's like a thing so you can take the picture with, or you can just hold it. And you have to put the batteries in. So you just pull that out. So let's take a picture. Pop this out. If it has that light, that means it's working. And I will take a picture of me. So you just have to face it near you. And then if you want to take a picture of someone else, you could just go like that. I'm going to take pictures outside because I really want to because it's pretty outside. Today it is pretty. So... 3, 2, 1. Took the picture.
You took my picture again?
See, it came out. I'm gonna turn this off right now because I don't want it on. There we go. It's just have to wait. I took a picture of outside. I'm just gonna bam. Oh. It's gonna dry. So you just hit this button, you pop this out and then hit the button. And then it should be, the thing will come out. But if you're first starting, it should be like a black thing that says, this is not a film. So that's just like a practice or something that, yeah, and stuff. So make sure, yeah, you don't fan that because it's fake. It's not real. It's not a film. But then when another one comes out, that's gonna be an actual film. So if it looks like this, this is a film. If it doesn't look like this, it's not a film. It's kind of fading. I took a picture of the neighborhood. Oh, I'll show you guys in a second. I'm gonna let that air dry. So I'm gonna put it over there, not that dry. I got this set, so things will come with it. But if you don't get the set, if you don't get the set, nothing will come with it, I think. Just gonna put this back in. Putting this back in my case because I'm not using this right now.
It's the big boy!
So,
Come at your door!
you guys hear that? This is my brother.
It's the big fat boy! Coming at your door!
Okay, there. I packed that up. I'm gonna put this back in my drawer.
It's the big fat boy! Coming at your door!
It's fading a little bit. Well, let me just show you the pictures I took. I have an album that came with it. You have to buy the set. The set comes with a camera and it comes with everything like accessories with it. It came with an album. These are the pictures I took yesterday. I only took one, we got two.
It's the big fat
I'm not gonna try to take out more
Coming at
than
your
that
door!
until today. But this one is my favorite. This one is like really close up to my face. I'm just like,
It's the big fat boy!
I'm excited to wear my outfit today. My outfit is really cute. And I'm gonna be wearing this. This is coming in, and this is just coming into a whole nother video. Well, that's
It's the big fat boy!
it. Let me show you the camera.
You know what time it is. Let me get those packages for you.
Jaden, no!
Here. picture? Let me see it.
No.
You're recording.
Yes?
Where are you recording? YouTube.
Channel.
There's the Big Bad 4!
Sorry, guys. I don't even know what that green thing is on the picture. Is it a bug? Was it a bug outside when I took the picture? Did it just fly on my window? Okay, well that's how it looks. It's gonna faint. I took this picture last night. Find it. Okay. It's done. I filmed another video last night to show you guys about the Polaroid camera, and I want to show you this again because it's all done. Okay, I'll catch up to you guys later. Maybe I'll film later. And I'll tell you guys how this looks because this is probably gonna take a while to dry. It's probably gonna take overnight. I'm joking. It's not gonna take overnight. It's just gonna take a little while. So I'm gonna just let this be here, let it sit, and I'll catch up to you guys if this is all done. It's kind of done, but not really. I don't know what that green thing is. Like, ew. Well, okay. Well, I'll see you guys later. Bye.